Hi guys, how to download Call of Duty Warzone on PC. Now open your preferred web browser, type Steam into the search bar, and navigate to the official Steam website. Watch out for fake ads that look like the real download button. Always check for store.steampowered.com in the URL. Click on Install Steam in the top right corner, download the setup file, and open it from your Downloads folder to complete the installation and log into your account. Here's a pro tip. If you don't have an account yet, create one now because Warzone requires it. Go to the Store tab in the top left, type Warzone into the search bar on the right, and select Call of Duty. Warzone from the results. Make sure you pick the free version, not a paid bundle by accident. Scroll down and click Play Game or Add to Library. Choose your installation drive directory and click Install to begin the download. Here's a critical warning. Warzone is over 100 gigabytes, so make sure you have enough free space before starting. Navigate to your library tab at the top to track the download progress. Once finished, click the blue play button to launch the game.